Every great revolution begins with curiosity. The story of artificial intelligence is no different. It's a story of a human trying to build a machine. In the 1950s, a handful of scientists, Alan Turing, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, dared to ask a question: can machines think? So back then, AI was all about symbols and rules. We told the machines exactly what to do. If this happens, then do that. Logic, pure and simple. Okay? It was that era of expert systems and rule based programming, like a baby taking its first crawl. So full of potential, but yet not independent. Fast forward to 1990s. Okay? Computers got way faster, data got bigger, and AI learned to learn. Instead of feeding it rules, we fed it examples. Machines started spotting patterns, improving with experience. Now, this was the age of machine learning. And as an analogy, we can say this is when the baby stood up and started to walk, or at least learned how to walk. Okay, this is the era in which IBM's Deep Blue beat Gary Kasparov in chess. It made a huge noise in the media. Well, that wasn't luck. It was computation meeting intuition. Then came the 2010s. Okay, that was the explosion of deep learning, and deep learning changed everything. Neural networks, which was inspired by human brain, learned not just to analyze but to understand. They recognized faces, translated languages, and powered the voice in your phone. If you have Apple, Hey Siri, Android, OK Google, remember? In this era, there was IBM Watson, who shook the world by defeating human champions on the show Jeopardy. Now, at this stage, it wasn't about facts anymore. It was about reasoning. That's when we can, as an analogy, we can say AI stopped walking and it started running at the age of deep learning. Okay. Then came the 2020s, which was the age of generative AI. Okay, where machines don't just compute, recognize pattern, but they actually create. They write code themselves, compose music, create videos, draft business plans, and in some cases even simulate empathy. Obviously, they don't have empathy, but they can simulate empathy in conversations. The best examples, as we know, is our ChatGPT, DAL-E, Claude, Gemini, and the list is endless. These systems have moved from automation to imagination. AI is no longer just a tool, it's becoming a partner in human creativity. Okay, so from the 1950s, where the baby was crawling, to 1990s, where AI started to learn to walk with machine learning, 2010, it started to run with deep learning, and 2020, it started to be creative alongside us. It's taking a place alongside humans. Okay, this is the age of generative AI, and the journey continues. It's not going to stop. The journey of AI is mirroring that of our own. It's like curiosity, failure, persistence, and then evolution. Remember, from Turing's first question to ChatGPT's answers right now, we have come a long way from teaching machines what to do and to teaching them how to learn. And this is just the beginning of intelligence growing up. In the coming lectures, I am going to tell you more about machine learning and deep learning. The idea is that you become so familiarized with these topics, with the AI and with its business practicality. Okay, so see you in the next lecture. Thank you.